Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to link and verify your Maya or PMaya account to Shopback account for withdrawal payment method. Alright, so ang next step ay kailangan mo lang ilagin ang iyong Shopback account dito sa ating Shopback applications, then open lang natin yan. And then next dito sa homepage ng Shopback ay dito lang sa baba ay kailangan mo lang select yung account. And then next dito sa ating account ay makikita mo dito yung lifetime earnings natin and then available to withdraw. So ang next ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong withdraw. So click mo lang yan. Dito sa withdraw ay kailangan mo lang select tong withdrawal destination. So i-click mo lang tong manage. Alright, so dito sa withdrawal ay kailangan mo lang select tong e-wallet transfer, okay? And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong add an e-wallet. So click mo lang tong plus sign. And then dito sa add e-wallet account, so dito sa payment method, so click mo lang tong arrow na to para mag-select tayo. And then select mo lang tong PayMaya. And then next ay kailangan mo lang ilagay yung PayMaya account name. So ilagay lang natin. Okay, and then next ay kailangan lang natin ilagay yung PayMaya mobile number natin. Alright, so double check mo lang yung PayMaya account name and then yung PayMaya mobile number mo, okay? And then ang susunod ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong add payment. Alright, so not verified. So to verify this account, so click the verification link, send to your email. Okay, so open lang natin ang email account natin na naka-register dito sa ating Shopback account. So yun yung pupuntahan natin para ma-verify natin ang ating PayMaya account. Alright, so punta lang tayo dito sa ating email. Okay, so makikita nyo dito na Shopback. So please verify your withdrawal details. So click lang natin ito. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong verify details. So click mo lang to. And then madirect tayo dito sa ating Shopback account. Okay, so makikita nyo dito na your payment method is verified and then ito na siya mga kaibigan. So PayMaya is already verified. So pwede na natin itong gamitin pag nag-withdraw tayo ng earnings natin dito sa Shopback. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano ba natin i-link and verify yung PayMaya account natin dito sa Shopback. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.